Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for the most honest, hands-on product insights. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best GPS heart rate monitor smartwatch available right now. The smartwatch with Alexa built in and a 1.83-inch HD touchscreen. Let's kick things off by talking design. The first thing you'll notice is the vibrant 1.83-inch HD touchscreen. It's bright, crisp, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The screen size feels just right, not too bulky, not too small, and it complements the modern aesthetic of the watch beautifully. You'll also appreciate the customizable watch faces, allowing you to match your mood or your outfit. You can use voice commands to control music, set reminders, check the weather, or even tap into thousands of Alexa skills, all from your wrist. No need to pull out your phone, it's all hands-free and seamless. This adds an entirely new level of convenience to your daily routine. Moving on to communication features, the watch supports Bluetooth calling thanks to the integrated Bluetooth 5.3 chip. You can make and answer calls directly on the watch, which is a game changer when you're on the move. Whether you're at the gym, driving, or just juggling multiple tasks. When it comes to fitness, this watch doesn't hold back. With over 120 sports modes, whether you're into running, cycling, yoga, or even swimming, this watch is ready to track your every move. Real-time stats like calories burned, distance covered, and workout duration help keep your performance in check. And yes, it's IP68 waterproof, so whether you're sweating it out or taking a swim, you're fully covered. Just remember, it's not ideal for hot water or saunas. Health monitoring is where this watch truly excels. It's equipped with advanced sensors that provide continuous 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, step counting, calorie tracking, and even stress level insights. It's like having a personal wellness coach that never sleeps. While it's not intended for medical diagnosis, it definitely gives you a deeper understanding of your daily health trends. Battery life is another strong point here. With a 300 mAh battery, you're looking at solid usage time without constantly reaching for a charger. And it works smoothly with both Android and iOS devices, Android 6.0 and above or iOS 10.0 and up. So no matter what phone you use, you're good to go. Let's also talk about connectivity and notifications. Once paired with your smartphone, the watch syncs all your app alerts, texts, and calls. While you can't reply to messages directly from the watch, you'll always be in the loop without needing to check your phone constantly. In terms of value, this smartwatch offers a stunning blend of style, intelligence, and functionality, all at a very accessible price point. It doesn't just tell time, it helps you manage it, your health, and your day, all in one sleek package. If you're looking for a highly affordable, feature-rich wearable with Alexa integration, Bluetooth calling, advanced health and fitness tracking, and waterproof durability, the answer is yes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next review. Until next time, stay smart and stay ahead.